I just wanted to show you guys what I'll be making today for dinner. So dinner today is 75 hard. We have broccoli, doing corn, doing salmon. I'm so excited to make this salmon. I'm gonna be making quinoa. I do want to put the quinoa on before I jump in the shower because the water is set. I will be using chicken broth, gluten-free, and I think the quinoa is also gluten-free. Chicken broth. In it, in the water. Gonna put another all-purpose. I'm gonna put a little bit of this in there for a taste, just a little bit. And that to a stir. Okay, so I didn't go in the shower as yet. Put the quinoa in the pot after rinsing it. So this is broth and seasoning, butter, coconut oil that I put it in. But when I tasted the broth, it needed some spice. So I'm gonna add a little bit of pepper to it. Okay, y'all, I got a shower, so let's do this quick. We're gonna season our salmon, BRB. So whatever meat I'm cooking, like it really depends on the flavor I'm going for. I like to start us off with rubbing it with my coconut oil. I just love the flavor that this gives me, you guys. I'm gonna rub this in. Next thing I'm gonna use, and I have to put this in my hand because it's so strong, I'm gonna use a little bit of pepper, like literally this amount. This pepper is so good, so strong. It's Guyana. It's from Guyana. Jerk sauce. It's jerk sauce. Before I flip it over, I'm gonna add a little bit of adobo. This is my favorite all-purpose seasoning. Old Bay. Because I'm gonna make sweet chili sauce, you guys. I don't want to overdo this. It's gonna be looking like this. Putting it right here. These are just like groceries. While I made the chili sauce, and I forgot to like show you guys how I made it. But the chili sauce is made, so now I'm just gonna put the salmon in it. That's the sweet chili salmon, corn, broccoli, quinoa. Yeah, it's now 10 o'clock. I'm exhausted. I'm going to sleep. I don't know if it's the bath I took or what, but I'm so tired. I have my lash appointment tomorrow, so I won't look so bald-faced. And I'm just gonna go to sleep, you guys. I didn't forget to show you guys the Shein trial haul because I think it's for my privacy, for private eyes only, because these shits are bomb, but there's also super short and revealing, so I'm not gonna do it. But you guys, thank you for keeping my company in my apartment because it'd be lonely. Thank God for my cousin who be fixing stuff. He be keeping my company, and my little sister. I'm so tired, you guys have no idea. I'm trying to see what else. I'm gonna decorate my apartment for fall. My coach is gonna come in. I've been going through a lot. My friend passed away. That's my life update. I restarted the 75 hard 3 times this month. Hopefully this week it go well, because I be so tired I can't push myself to the gym. Good night, you guys. Love y'all. Mwah. Hey you guys, so it is the weekend. I finally got my lashes done like I told you guys. And this video is about to be a wrap, baby. But I wanted to show you guys the newest addition to my family, and I feel like it was just best to show you guys in this vlog rather than making it a whole nother vlog. So without further ado, say hi to Chloe. Chloe. Hi. Hi, pretty girl. Hi, boo boo boo. Hi, my baby. Yes. Okay, so I got a couple stuff for Chloe. I got her cake. Y'all, Chloe is a jumper. Like, she jumps in faces. Right, Chloe? Right? That's what you do, right? But I just took her for a walk, and we went to Five Below to get her a bunch of stuff. One of her stuff is her bed. It was so many other beds, but I feel like this was the one that fit the aesthetic of my apartment. So I got this. Now, can you pass that Five Below bag up there, please? My little sister is over here. Thank you.
What they call me, Pookie.
This is her shampoo. Because we were outside taking a walk, I'm definitely gonna wash her. This is her food. This is her treat. This is a thank you letter to someone at my job for coaching me, being my mentor. So I'm gonna write this up tonight. I got this from Five Below, $1. I probably should have went to the dollar store, but look at her super cutesy bowl. I have a camera so that when I'm at work, I could watch her and I could like talk to her. Oh, I bought her a toy. Let me go get her toy. And she also have like this one. There you go. And like these are her mats. Blanket. Let me show you her toy. Oh, and her hairbrush. I got her this toy. It's a 2-pack dog toy, rubber ring, and a fetch ball. Probably gonna teach you how to play fetch. So we were outside. I walked her, so I'm figuring more or less she's thirsty. So I'm gonna give her some ice cold water. I just got this, but this been hers. So I know she's super thirsty. I'm gonna give her. So I also got this pink trash bag, certified dog owner. I could not go without this. How cute is this? And it's pink. Let me sit here and talk to you guys. So basically I wanted this to be like a 1-week vlog, but it was impossible. I'm gonna try my best to like do better next time so that you guys can see what I do in an entire week. And I'm actually gonna start doing that today. So today's Sunday, we're reset to the same thing I did last Sunday, which when I cooked the quinoa and the salmon. That's what I'm gonna do today. And I'm gonna do a nighttime routine, and I'm gonna be posting that so that I'm doing better. Just with like vlogging, I really want this vlog life. I really want like I want to connect with more people out there. I want to give advice to people. I want to make people know that it's okay. And that's why I push so hard to do YouTube. And because it's gonna take like a while to be prepared, let me see how long it actually takes. Because I got her pedigree, but my sister said that it makes her poop like super poopy. So we don't do that anymore. So I'm gonna just give her a treat. Not you scaring her. It's her treat. Come here, Chloe. There's a treat. It's for you. And I'm gonna like set up her area and stuff, and I'll be right back. You would think that she sleeps in her bed, but she don't. She sleeps right on my bed. This is her area.
Yes.
And that's her bed. And then this is her bowl. And I store her stuff like in there. Come here.
I graduated top of my class. I went to Caltech on a full scholarship. I did all of that. I did that with a kid. And listen to
She loves telling me
really addicts.
and she don't like her own bed. Right, Chloe Willie? Yeah. 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 A cutie poochie. That's who you are. A cutie poochie. She's so cute. This girl gonna stay here. She don't. Hi you guys, it is fall. Really trying my best to give you guys a fall vlog. Picking pumpkins, and I'm gonna get ready to pick mine. I dress so cute, but I wouldn't have to put like my friend's hoodie on, then my other friend's hoodie on because it's so cold. So only part of this that I'm gonna get the me picking pumpkins for you guys, and I'm also gonna get when I go to the shop. So here's my pumpkin patch vlog. I'm trying my best to be consistent. See y'all. So I found a pumpkin. This is my pumpkin. You guys, it's so cold and it's crazy because it was just like nice. So I'm still like potted up. Anyways, I'm in the gift shop looking at stuff to purchase. I think these are candles. And then these are like barbecue sauce, like jams. Which I really love.